Now the next problem. Kriti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of June. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? Here we have 3 questions asked. First is how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? Second is in which week, and third week is how much is the sale greater. Now we know that in the first week Kriti bookstore sold first week how much? 2,85,891, right? And in the second week the bookstore sold 4,768, right? Now how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? That means adding. So 9 plus 6, 15, 16, 6, right? So 2 weeks together Kriti bookstore has sold 6,86,659 rupees worth of books. Okay, now the next question is, in which week was the sale greater? So here we have 2 figures, this in week 1 and this in week 2. So which is the largest figure? Week 2. So the answer is nothing but in second week the sale was greater simply because they sold books for so and so worth of money, that is greater than the first week. Okay, the next question is, and by how much? So I have told you in the previous question that here when we are comparing one week to the other, or one person's prize money to other person's prize money, etc., and if we want to find out by how much does the winner won, then we will be taking the difference between the 2 values. So here also it's the same thing. So week 2 sales is greater and total sales is this one, and by how much was week's 2 sale greater is nothing but the difference. So here we need to take the difference of 4,768,000 minus 2,85,891. So it will be 6 is 8, 9 is 4, also 9 is 1. So this is the difference between the first and the second and the first week. So this is by that much, that is 1,14,877 is week's 2 sales greater than week 1's sale. Now let's see the next problem. Now the next question. A merchant had 78,592 rupees with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at 1,200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? So in total the merchant had 78,592 rupees. Now she placed an order of 40 radio sets at 1,200 each. That means we know that she placed an order for 40 radio sets, but we also know that one radio set is equal to 1,200 rupees, right? Now let's try to find out what is the price of 40 radio sets. Why? Because she has this much money, and after paying for 40 radio sets, how much money is she left with is the question. Okay, so now it is nothing but 40 radio sets into 1200 rupees by 1 radio set. So we cancel nothing but 48,000. So that means she needs to pay 48,000 for 40 radio sets. But how much does she have? She already has 78,592 rupees with her, right? So since she has this much and she pays this much, that is 48,000, she is left with 30,592 rupees. That is, how much money will remain with her after the purchase is nothing but 30,592 rupees based on our calculation. Okay, now let's see the next problem. Now the next question. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? We know that the student has made a small mistake while writing down the question. For example, instead of multiplying 7236 into 56, he multiplied 7236 into 65. What did he do? He just reversed the digits. But the answer will be different, right? Because we will not get the same answer by reversing the digits. This is 56 and this is 65. So now he is asking how much was his answer greater than the correct answer. That means, what is the correct answer according to the question? This one. But what did he do? He did this one. So what we can do? He is saying by how much? Again, by how much in questions means difference. So we need to find out, was his answer, here his answer means the mistake one. We need to subtract this answer by this answer. Then we don't have to directly do this multiplication and subtract. That is one way, but there is a shortcut to do this using distributive law that I have taught you. So is this not we need to find out? Right? So now using distributive law, can we say that 7236 into 65 minus 656? Because we have 7236 as common in both, I am taking that as common and I am subtracting 65 and 56. We'll get the same answer. Nothing but 7236 into, how much is 56? 65 minus 56? 9. It's a difference. So the answer is 7236 into 9. That is nothing but 54, 32, 18 plus 3, 21, 63, 64, 65. So answer is 65,124. Okay. This is the difference between this number that is multiplied and this number that is multiplied, that needs to be multiplied correctly. Okay. Now let's see the next problem. So the next problem is, medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kilos 500 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kgs? So we know that each box weighs 4 kilo 500 grams. That is, one box is 4 kilo and 500 grams. Let's try to convert this in kgs or in grams. Now, because we need to find 800 kg, let's try to convert 500 grams into kilos. We know that 1 kilogram is 1000 grams, right? So what is 500 grams? 500 grams into 1 kilo by 1000 grams, nothing but 1/2 kilo, right? So in total, one box will have 4 kilograms plus 1 by 2 kilograms, that is 4.5 kilograms. 1 by 2 can be written as 0.5 kgs, right? So one box contains 4.5 kilograms of weight, and it weighs 4.5 kilograms. Now after this, we can write this as 4.5 kilograms. He is asking how many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kilograms. That means the capacity of the van is 800 kilograms. So we need to find out how many boxes can the van carry which has its own weight of 800 kilograms of capacity. That means one box is 4.5. Now 800 kilograms is the capacity of the van. Let's try to get how many boxes it can carry. Which cannot carry beyond means this is the capacity, maximum capacity of the van. So it will be 800 kilograms into one box by nothing but 4.5 kilograms. Cancel this. Now you know that 4.5 is nothing but 45 by 10 using decimals, right? So can I put the 10 here? Because it is 800 by 45 by 10. That is, if you say this as 800 into 10 by 45, we need to take 45 by 10 in the top. Okay, I'll teach you this separately once we get into fractions. So now cancel this. 5 2s are 5 9s are. So it is nothing but 1600 by 9. Okay, now let's divide 1600 by 9. So 9 divided by 1600. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 70. 9 7s are 63, right? Again 70. 9 7s are 63. So it will go on. But we know for a fact that a box is a single unit. So we cannot put the decimal for any single unit value. So answer is 177 boxes can be carried by the van of capacity not more than 800 kilograms. Okay. So this is one type of question. Now let's see the next problem. Now let's jump to the last question of the video, that is how many 7-digit numbers are there in all? So we know that a smallest 6-digit number or 5-digit number can be figured out using the previous digit's largest number. That is, how to get the smallest 6-digit number? Previous digit's largest number is nothing but the largest 5-digit number plus 1. That is nothing but 1 lakh. So this is the smallest 6-digit number. So in the same way, can I find out the smallest 7-digit number? So we need to add 1 to the largest 6-digit number and we will be getting the smallest 7-digit number as 10 lakhs. Okay, why did I find out the smallest 7-digit number when the question is asked using us to find out how many 7-digit numbers are there in all? In all means in the entire number system. Because if we find the smallest 7-digit number and if we find the largest 7-digit number by subtracting the smallest, largest and the smallest, we will be getting the total numbers that are there in between that range. Okay, let's see now. This is the smallest 7-digit number. In the same way, what is the largest 7-digit number? largest 7-digit number is smallest 8-digit number minus 1, right? As per our previous lecture on large numbers, the first video. So largest 7-digit number is smallest 8-digit number plus 1. So what is the smallest 8-digit number? 1 crore. So it will be smallest 8-digit number minus 1. So it is nothing but 99,99,999. Okay. Now after finding out the largest 7-digit number and smallest 7-digit number, we will subtract the largest from the smallest. That is 99,990. That is 99,99,999 minus 10 lakhs. In this way, we will be getting the largest and the smallest numbers. At the same time, we can also find out how many 7-digit numbers are there in that range. This is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 8. Okay, but there is a catch here. This particular number will not include these two numbers. We are just subtracting. So that means these are fine. We have 89,99,999 numbers in between 99,99,999 and 10 lakhs. However, this digit, this number will not include these two numbers. So in order to include that, we will be doing plus 1. So then we will be getting 90 lakhs as the answer. So 90 lakh numbers are there between the smallest and the largest 7-digit number. That means 90 lakh numbers are there overall in the number system that are 7-digit. Okay. Now if we want to exclude these two, sometimes in the question they'll give you to exclude these two numbers. In such scenarios, what we'll do is we'll do minus 1. Okay. So this is including these two, the smallest and the largest, and this is excluding the smallest and the largest. Okay. So this is how you get the number of n-digit numbers in between the smallest and the largest, that is overall in the entire numeral system. Okay. Now these are the few problems that I have handpicked for you so that you'll be able to solve all the problems with the techniques that I have taught you in my previous videos. I'll be linking down all my previous videos so for your reference, so that you can go through those videos and then solve the problems using the techniques that I have taught you earlier. So in case of any further questions, or if you have any doubts on the number system for 6th class, especially chapter 1, then please feel free to reach out to me via my email address located below. So now this completes the lecture part of the video. Now let's jump right into the puzzle of the day quickly. So the puzzle is as follows. Is this a magic square? If so, why? So I have given you a grid that has 3 by 3 matrix, that is 3 numbers, and it's like in the form of a table with 3 rows and 3 columns. So it has numbers starting from 1, 15, 8 in the vertical direction, and 1, 12, 10 in the horizontal direction, 2, 4 and 5, 3 in the last 2 by 2 square. So try to figure out if this is a magic square. Try to check this and we'll discuss the solution in the next video. So this completes the video for today, and I hope you are very clear on the number system for class 6th, and I hope you understood the concepts very well so far. So in the next video, I'll start whole numbers and then followed by a few problems related to the whole numbers. So until then, if you really like my video, I request you all to please like, share and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell notification down below so that you will never miss an update from me. Till then, I hope you all have a safe day and a wonderful week ahead. Thank you.